So I just got me the Dji Osmo Action 3. Supposedly, some of these came with focus problems, and that was batches from August 2022. This is from December 2022, so it should be fine now. And comes with battery pack, a case with 3 batteries. Cool. The actual camera, we're gonna test it, make sure this thing doesn't have any focus issues. Ooh, I really like this. Smaller than the GoPro, and it feels really strong. I don't know, it feels like a quality material. This is an honest review, guys. I bought this with my own money. Anything that is good and that is wrong with it, I will let you know. Got the USB-C wire to charge it. We're about to charge it. Actually, I have one right here, so I'm gonna put this to charge. So this camera is supposed to charge the batteries, these 3 batteries, in 18 minutes at 80%. Whoa. We got the sticky mount, the bolt, another bolt, case, protective case, and the ring. Wait, I'm supposed to get another ring. It's right in there. I do not see it. 2 stickers, and I only got, oh, never mind, it's on the camera already. So I got 2 rings, 2 protective rings, the protective case. Well, I forgot. Also comes with a stick, like a selfie stick. Got a mounting point. So let's try it out. Check that out. Ain't that awesome? That's so cool. That is so cool. Can't wait to go ride and test this. Well, so far, this thing looks pretty legit, guys. So, let's go give it a test. Quick test. Just make sure it's focused and you guys can see the quality. This is 4K at 30 frames per second, rock steady on. Go. Go. 4K at 120 frames per second plus slow motion test. I'm not a camera expert, but it seems to me like it's in focus. Let me know what you guys think when you saw the videos. Also, my software, editing software that I'm using is not the best. I probably should upgrade that. That kind of like affects the video a little bit, but I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna go riding, fishing, racing. I don't know, whatever I get into.